Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is dedicated to PS5's unboxing. I personally purchased this PS5 and I'll be taking you through the detailed unboxing of all the components inside the box, and also I'll be showing you the initial setup, how to set up the PS5 for the first time, and also I'll be testing the performance of this PS5 because this PS5 supports 4K at 120Hz, that is 120 FPS of gameplay. So I'll be testing that performance on VU California 4K QLed TV, which is a gaming TV that supports 120Hz display and also 120 FPS of gaming. So I'll be testing that, but before that, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe and hit that bell icon because that keeps me motivated to bring such videos for you. So without further ado, let's start the video. Let's begin. So guys, finally I'm unboxing the PS5, and whenever you take the PS5, just check this seal. It is very important because you will get 1 year warranty from the Sony registered company, and this means your device is registered with Sony. So please check this sticker whenever you buy a new PS5. So let's unbox it now. So guys, finally the seal is open. Guys, after opening the seal, you get this nice flap type of a system, as you can check. After lifting this flap, you need to just pick this like a drawer. It's like a drawer, so you just need to lift this and it will come out. So guys, see, I've removed this. Now let's open this box now, and there is a logo over here of PlayStation, as you can check over here. It's a really nice presentation from Sony. So let's open this box and see what are the accessories inside, and there is a device also inside. So let's go inside the box now. So guys, inside this box you get the main device, which is PlayStation 5, and you get this box in which you get the accessories. Like there is a manual, product manual, there is a DualSense control over here, and there is a HDMI cable, the power cable for the PS5. And also below this manual you will be getting a stand for the PS5. I'll show you the stand, unwrap it and show it to you. And there is a HDMI cable, and this HDMI cable supports 120 FPS, which is 120 Hz. So you require this cable if you want to play games on 120 Hz, if you are having a supported display of 120 Hz. So this is very important. You need to attach only this cable which comes with PS5. So now let's unwrap all these things and I'll show you the content. So guys, these are all the contents you get inside that box. One is the main unit for the PS5. This is the latest model, which is CFI 1208A. This is the latest model, the 12,000 series of PS5. You get a stand, and inside the stand, if you rotate the stand, you will get a screw. Just a second, I'll try to show it to you. See, when you rotate the stand, there is a screw inside kept over here. This is required to mount the stand on the PS5. So that screw is given by Sony, which is inside this stand, and you need to take care of it because there is only one screw provided. So this is the set of the stand. Then you get the famous DualSense controller. It is a really nice controller which have adaptive trigger system, and the vibration motor inside this controller is really nice. I've heard that you will get an adaptive trigger over here. So you get 1 unit of this controller. I'll show you this later in this video. And you get a power cord which is used to power the PS5, and you get a USB type C to USB type A. This cord is required to power your DualSense controller, and you also get a HDMI cable, which I have shown you in the unboxing. This is a 120 Hz HDMI cable, so you need to connect only this HDMI cable with the PS5 if you're having a 120 Hz supported TV or a monitor. So you need to connect this. It is compatible with 120 Hz. So all these things you get inside the box, all these things. Guys, on this controller I'd like to show you one thing. Like all the grips on this controller, as you can see, I'm taking it closer. Now you can make out the triangles, the square, the crosses. The grip on the controller is made from these triangles, squares and crosses, which are the signs of PS and the PlayStation symbols. So this is the attention to detail, the level of attention to detail that Sony has given on this DualSense controller. So it's really nice touch, and the similar thing is available on the console itself also. It's really nice. See, well, that's a very good job done by Sony. See guys, now on the inside side of the console also, the attention to detail is maintained over here also, like the crosses, the triangles, the circle and the square, all the symbols of PlayStation, it is provided over here also. So the attention of detail is really remarkable done by Sony, and this is on the internal side of the console. See, it's really nice touch. This is the first login screen of PS5 as it is booted. This comes only once. All the demonstration is shown on the DualShock controller. When we handle the controller, as you can see, this is for the first time the PS5 is booted. So it's telling us to press the PS button over here. I've pressed that, and now there is the initial setup. So this screen which you see, it appears only once when you boot a new PS5 after unboxing. So that is done. Now I'll complete the initial setup and then we'll go ahead. Now guys, I've set the PS5 completely, and it has been connected to the HDMI cable to this TV, which is View Masterpiece QLed TV, and this is a flagship model from View, California, and it supports 120Hz at 120 FPS. So the gaming would be done on this PS5 because the PS5 supports 4K at 120 FPS. So I think this will be compatible with this TV. So we are going to check that. And there are only few games which supports 120 Hz at 120 FPS. So Call of Duty Modern Warfare is one of those games. So what I've done is that I've connected my PS5 to this TV at 120 Hz through the HDMI cable which is supplied inside the box. You need to connect only through that cable for the enabling of 120 Hz of gameplay. So I've connected it to the 120 Hz port of this TV. There are two ports available on this TV which supports 120 Hz gameplay. One is for the EARC, which is for the audio connection, and one is for the gaming connection, which is the one which I'm using over here. So let's start the game, and you will be prompted with the connection. See, now on the top right over here you will be prompted with the connection, like it is using 4K at 120 Hz. So that would be an assurance that the game is working fine at 120 Hz. See, HDMI 4K at 120 Hz. So the game has started. So this is the proof that the PS5 works completely well with this TV. So I'll be posting a 4 minutes gameplay of Call of Duty Modern Warfare coming ahead in this video, so you can watch that gaming video as a gameplay, or skip that part and come to the end of the video. See, now the game has started. It's connecting to the server, so let's start and play a game. Now this is the performance of Call of Duty Modern Warfare on PS5. I've set the PS5 and it is the night mission, and it's the London mission. So this is one of the best missions of Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's check out how the performance is. I've set all the settings to 120 FPS. Let's see how it performs.
Copy. Mission is full secure. Upper 6 minutes at second floor.
Let's see now what is on the third staircase.
Fucking hell. She was going for like detonator.
Good job we dropped it.
We made the right call, sir.
What about your house? Got location on the move.
The attic of the Alcatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Alcatala leaders believed to be holed up. Forest forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while the Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.
So guys, as you can check, the gameplay is absolutely spotless at 120 FPS. It is absolutely lovable to play Call of Duty on this PS5. So this was the gaming performance at 120 FPS. And just in case if you have not watched the unboxing of this TV on my channel, I'll be posting the unboxing video in the I button link over here. Just go and watch the unboxing of, because you'll get to know much more about what this TV has to offer for gaming. So guys, this was it. This was the entire performance and also the unboxing review of PS5 with VU California 4K QLed TV that supports 120Hz display and 120Hz FPS of gameplay. So I have shown that in this video and I hope you liked the video. And just one point of concern which I want to clear in this video, that there are 3 models of PS5. So if you're planning to buy a latest model of PS5, go with the 12,000 series of model, which is the latest from 2022 and 2023. And there are previous models also, like from the 11,000 series and 10,000 series. So don't go with that model, because there is a substantial difference between 10,000 and 11,000 series and also 12,000 series, which is the latest series. There is a weight reduction in PS5. Overall 200 grams of weight has been reduced. It is much lighter, the latest model. Plus there is a difference in heat chamber also. The heating mechanism of PS5 is much more upgraded, so there will be a considerable cool performance of latest model of PS5. And there is one more thing, like the PS5 consumes overall less power. The latest model consumes less power. It takes only 200 watts of power, whereas the other 2 models takes 220 and 230 watts respectively. So it will be giving you much lesser power consumption in running of PS5. So just keep this in mind and go with the latest model of PS5, which is the 12,000 series and above. So that was it for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. So thumbs would be appreciated. Please do like the video and do subscribe to my channel because that keeps me motivated. And stay tuned, I'll be bringing such videos again. So till then, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.